Hi, Kennels, I'm back here with you on more things that we're bringing with our Survivor Kid movie or video on survival techniques, part 2. This is part 2. So, give you an idea of how much stuff we're going to bring. We can't show you it all because it's obviously it's the camera I'm using right now to film you. There's obviously another camera. So, gather some stuff and show you a little bit. First I gotta get it. This is 1 out of 2 standard camera bags. This one's not standard, this one's genuine leather and it's pretty big. Camera bags that I've never been able to bring. This is only 1 out of 2. Each weighing quite a lot because there's videotape inside. And I'm not taking the hard disk drive camera. It's not going to take the shaking, so open it up, and as you see now, I've emptied it out from the last use. But, you know. Oh, what do you know? Open this up. On one of the side pockets, left side pocket, I got me a spare disc holder. That's good news in case, you know. I don't know. You just need to have somewhere to store your discs. So I kept this empty handy one. Just handy to have. There's nothing on the right side. And there's just this one front pocket. Just this one front pocket now. No, that's empty too. And last but not least, couple pockets on the side, on the inside of the camera bag. Which are handy. And then I have my cleaning cloth right there. Just here, so close up the back. Oh man, did I tell you that there's pockets inside of pockets on this one? A little bit. There's double closures, just like a little clip right here if you want that too. Kind of hard to see there because of the light, but right here. A little extra clip if you want. And I don't know where the other end of it is. I must have taken it off. So that's one camera bag, which will be stuffed to the max. This goes with the rest of my stuff. That's coming with us. Let's go get the other camera bag. Some bracket outside. Doesn't appear to be anything, though. Somebody's probably working on their truck or something. Might have been my dad. last but not least, this camera bag. Now, just to prove to you there's not a different one, obviously the size isn't the same. So, this one here is a little more standard. It has this top part right there. It's hard to see too because of the light. It's a little netting. And it's just the inside, so it's just room for cloth or something, maybe some tape in there, which I have put before. And then, just the camera. Whoa. Oh, did I tell you that the zippers on this one are broken? After the 2006 trip to St. Martin. So, there was a paper clip on it, but now it's manual closing, so I've been leaving it open. I'm going to put a few of these things back, go back and get it later. And you can watch my backpack as I carry this stuff away. Plug her back in to the wall. And that's that. And of course a little bit of food and water. And of course this camera, which I showed you earlier, charging, overcharging right now for extra power. So, see you guys later.